All right, welcome to this class. This is what is AI. This class is embedded in this course. If you've bought the book, I say congratulations, and you're in for the right time. You're in for a nice time. So let's go coasting as far as we can move. In this first class, we're going to be looking at what is AI. We look at uh, inputs, outputs, and limits of AI. All right. By definition, excuse me. By definition, uh, AI stands for artificial intelligence, or AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. All right. It just basically refers to a set kind of simulation, an arrangement where machines learn, uh, you know, to behave like humans in their responses. And why? Because they are programmed to think and learn like humans. All right. So that is actually the first step we want to know. Uh, this is achieved. How is this achieved? It's achieved by feeding the computer with very large amounts of training data covering every aspect of human life. Oh, this took a lot of time to be done, actually. It took quite some time. Feeding the computer with a lot of data to train it so it will learn the data which was used to train the computer covers uh, every aspect of human life because it's still being done. Updates are still being done. So the one that was done in the past covered every aspect of human life, and it's really an eventful thing which has come to shape our lives today in the world. All right. Um, After this was done, the machine had learned a lot of details about human activities and become able to make suggestions and decisions from this data available to it. That is, when prompted to do so, it will make suggestions and decisions from this data. The machines or computers are also are able also to make predictive texts available in the writing of texts, as it has learned the pattern of human day-to-day communication and words most used frequently. I'm quite sure you've noticed that when you chat on social media using chatbots and all messengers, for instance, on WhatsApp, Facebook chat, and the like, Instagram, you discover that as you're typing, uh, you always have this kind of text suggested to complete your statement that you're trying to type. Yeah, that's predictive text that is powered by artificial intelligence. So this is artificial intelligence in display. This is AI. Um, from the images, you could see that most of what is here are really AI powered, from Tesla vehicles, the self-driving vehicles, um, using artificial intelligence to navigate their paths, YouTube, Netflix recommendation. AI has learned to give you recommendation on what to watch on YouTube and Netflix based on your watch history, so that when next you come after watching um, some videos, when next you come, it will select categories of videos in line with what you last watched. Now that is really something. How when you visit next time, you'll be wondering how does this thing know that these are the kind of videos I love to watch? Well, that's the power of artificial intelligence. All right, AI makes real-time directions possible on Google Maps and other GPS navigation devices. Like I said, Tesla self-driving cars, Amazon drone package delivery services, and the like. Yeah, Amazon and a couple of other companies across the world now, Korea, China, they actually use drones to deliver parcels to you when you make an order from their store. So they could digitally locate where you are on the map and a drone will be sent to pick up the good, your order, and come deliver right at your doorstep. All right. And then we also have AI featuring in agri-tech. AI is everywhere. In aggregate to monitor plants remotely, farmers don't have to manually go through acres of land anymore when there are AI drones that are powered to do such. They could monitor, they could snap pictures of plants, they could they could detect where there are issues in terms of security too. They could detect, and the farmer will be seeing it remotely right there on his device. Okay,
The
next
AI
slide,
scan
please.
is complete and the results are already here.
This is significantly faster.
Incredible. The precision is remarkable.
All right, in medical field for quick diagnosis of patient health conditions and result analysis, as you've seen in the video, so much is happening. AI is really uh, bringing a lot of positive changes across the world. AI in education, AI in politics. In education, it makes students assignments. Students could search a lot of details about their assignments and help them complete it faster. Teachers could make research further on topics in politics. Yeah, politicians, governance, in government offices. So much is put together with AI in decision making, arriving at decisions through data available that they could generate from AI. Likewise, in business for uh, um, data analysis to watch market trends, AI could make suggestions, predictions based on data that it has been trained with, and this enhances business performance all across the world. Now, in yeah, in warfare, in military warfare, UAVs, we now have a situation where there are more UAVs than even conventional flying jets. UAVs are on unmanned area vehicles, which are drones, and they carry a lot of payload, which you could use to bomb enemy territories, enemy facilities, and most military across the world are making use of that now. In science, AI is in science, helping in research and more breakthroughs through research powered by artificial intelligence, and you get results faster than it used to be way back before AI. In software development, yes, coding is more easier to do now as AI could help you write codes faster. The programmers will have to instruct the AI exactly on what they want, and it does it faster for them, making the work easier. It's not as if it's taking over their work per se. However, it's a so useful tool to programmers, such that it makes the work faster and more interesting. In military warfare, scientific research, and software development, AI is trending. In almost every field of human endeavor, you have an AI that can play a role to make the workflow easier and better. All right, so let's go deeper. AI inputs, outputs, and limits. This talks about prompt, response, and hallucinations in AI.